Bore da, croeso I Gymru. More specifically, welcome to Pen-y-Groes. I'm on County Road. This is my favourite, or certainly one of my favourites, roads in Snowdonia. Let's go and see why I like it. So one of the reasons I like it is it's got a variety of style of road in a compact distance, and I like it because you've got constantly a good view and it builds. So yeah, join me as I have a ride along one of my favourite roads in Snowdonia. I'll show you on a map later where I've been. There's lots of old mine workings up there. You probably won't pick them up on the camera, but there's lots there. So I've been messing around with the bike. I haven't actually been riding it, but I've been messing around with it. As you can see, I've altered the position of my phone. So I've got no excuse now for missing the indicators. I'm sure I can find an excuse, but officially I haven't really got one. So I've got new handguards fitted. They might be adjusted soon, but I've got them at the moment. I've got some crash bars because you've got the radiator there and lots of bodywork. Unfortunately, they had a bit of weight, but then they do tend to give a bit of protection, so we'll see. What else have we got? We've got a lot of luggage fitting bits and pieces behind me. And of course, you've already seen we've got the Krieger tank adapter. So we're essentially going to be heading towards the heart of Snowdonia. At the moment it feels like we're in a lovely valley. We can see some mountains ahead. So I've only done just under 120 miles on this bike yet so far. Really no mileage at all. On my way into Pen-y-Groes, where I've started, there are quite a few speed bumps. Oh, it was lovely. Absolute magic. Lovely soft ride. So we're now going to be heading in towards Nanfa. Lovely little village this. And the road will change from this fast-zipping one to something a bit tighter. We've just entered the Snowdonia National Park now. You might have seen the slate sign at the side of the road. They show you the boundaries of the park. The park is shaped like a large donut, a large ring donut. I think I've mentioned that before, with the whole of the donut being Blaena. That's Blaena Festiniog, for those of you that aren't used to my terminology. We're heading into Llanberis eventually, but not taking the direct route. We're going to be going there because, nice lake over there, because I want to be doing a video which I'm hoping to do today in the village, so we'll see. Now here's a speed bump. Lovely gentle rise and fall. Softly sprung at the back. Oh, it's just so nice compared to the Enfield. I've been wanting to do a videoed ride on the Enfield on this route for ages. I've simply never got round to it. I've been saving it for a nice day, and I just never got around to it. So I thought today I need to give this a little bit of a run, so I thought I'd come out and we'll have a play. So we're leaving Nanfa Ridge and it's behind us. I can never remember which side is which, but that up there is known as Nanfa Ridge, I believe, because it's a ridge near Nanfa. Very popular for people doing the old scrambling, climbing on mountain walking. Now the tyres that are fitted to these Hondas as standard have a really bad press. So I'm not happy about the standing water, but we'll see what happens. Certainly on the Enfield I'd be unfazed by it, but I'm a bit of a coward. And now we're getting a little bit more mountainous. Oh, that must be the ridge there, I think. Druzagoid. And here again we have another change of style of road. We're now going to be climbing up into the mountains by the look of it. You've got to be careful, there's a few of these slightly misleading exits. If you don't know where you're going, it can be a bit problematical. This certainly isn't a place for big vehicles. Sadly, that up there isn't a green lane. Well, it is a green lane, but it's not got a public right of way. Lovely old cottage over there. That up there in the clouds is Snowdon. So the most straightforward way for me to get to Llanberis would really be nip up to Winevower and take the shortcut across there. Not going to do that because there's another bit of road that I really enjoy riding. So you can see it's now opened up again, a bit more sweepy road. Another lake. I should really say it's another lake, shouldn't I? Okay, so we're coming down to a T-Junction now. Now if you want to, you can go, as I say, left up towards Winevower and then cut across to Llanberis over the Green Lane. That's quite a nice road. I'm not doing that today because I want to go down to the right because, as I say, I think I prefer that road, and this is why I'm taking you on this run. So this is Rita. My pronunciation is not great for this place. It's not great anyway, but for this one I'm particularly poor at. I struggle with the pronunciation. There's a good pub back there. Also there's a train station if you want to go on the Welsh Highland Railway. There's toilets in the car park as well. The toilets are to the left as you go in, should you need them. I often do. There we go. Now on a faster bike, you can imagine people can get up quite some illegal speeds along here. Obviously I won't be, because I'm running the bike in and I don't want to break the law. So we're a nice open sweeping road again. Here on our right we've got start of the forest for Beth Gellert. Apparently it's really good for mountain biking. I need to go and have a good look there. Came out early because I thought it would be quiet today. Now the reason I haven't overtaken is because I know we're coming down to a 30 soon. Problem is I think I've misjudged it. I think it's later than I thought. Now the bumpy road down here. Now I've ridden and driven down here quite a few times. I don't remember it being particularly bumpy. Moo cows! There's lots of things to shout about round here, but I don't like to milk it too much. Ah, Croeso Bethgelert. So it must be just round here the 30 starts. There it is. So what's the bet in that? Having held me up, they'll now be doing more than 30 when I'm not. Let's see. Oh well, right. Jolly good. Park. And what a lot of people do if they're parking their bikes in Bethgelert, they don't park in the car park or side of the road, they park by the toilets. Now I'm not going to go there, but if you go over the bridge and turn immediately left, the toilets are down there. And you can park your bikes outside there, a lot of people do. See anyone over there? Yeah, I can see a top box just over there. That's those. A lot of people park the bikes there. What's to make these bigger bikes overtake me? Up here. So there you go, that's my favourite road, part 2, and now into part 3. Return journey down to Llanberis from Bethgelert. That's got to rate as one of my favourites as well. These might be tourists, or they don't know where they are. Hasn't quite got as much get up and go as the Beamer had. Fancy a dip. Don't know if you can see that. So there. So we're coming along here now. We're heading up effectively towards Penna Pass. Well, Penna-Gurad, and then we can turn left and go up to Penna Pass, then down to Llanberis. But before we get there, we'll be coming to Llyn-Gwynant. So Llyn-Gwynant is very pretty, very popular, and was used last year, I think it was, yeah, 2022, for the 60th running of the Dragon Rally, which is a motorcycle rally run of all things in the worst weekend in February. Llyn-Gwynant is down there. Beautiful on a day like today, absolutely fantastic. Now September should be the time when the water's warmest. I don't think I'll take a chance on that today. I should do really, shouldn't I? But I'm a bit of a wuss. But that's Llangwynant. As I say, home to the Dragon Rally last year, 2022, for its 60th running. I think it's something like the 2nd or the 3rd week in February, when it's meant to be the worst weekend of the year. And it's the UK equivalent of the Elephant Rally, really. A lot of people just really find it quite tough. Okay, so I'm not going to stick on the main road. I'm going down here. And that's the Gwynant campsite down here. I'm not going to the campsite, you understand? So while all those other people are dealing with all that traffic and there's coaches stopping and starting, we're not bothering with that. We're revelling in the beauty of Snowdonia with a little bit less traffic. Not saying you wouldn't ever get traffic down here, because you will. But it's better than the main road. Oh, come out to a Greek war, I think. And it's a farmyard, so I shall stay right down. Oh, there's signage on here. Wonder what the signage says. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, that's fair enough. Please shut the gates. Where the f do I go? Oh, it's over there, isn't it? a bit rockier than last time I came up here. I have to say, it feels like I'm riding on glass. It's a horrible feeling. Sheep. Oh, another one. Sorry, lady. Oh, and a fourth. Oh. There you go. You never know what you're gonna find. So I'd say the jury's out really about these tyres. I'm not 100% convinced how bad they are. Obviously haven't done enough mileage to really get them bedded in properly. So I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, but no, I didn't really feel confident with them. In fact, I thought the Seats on the Royal Enfield were much worse. There we go. It's food for thought. Maybe I'll change them soon. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.